right before starting Bharat Agri, we got interested into agriculture and we wanted to explore more about it. So what we did was we went on the ground and we met more than 400 farmers in next 2-3 months. What we learned was that agriculture is as complicated as any other engineering field. But unfortunately, in India, farmers do not have access to any consultants or mentors, and that's the problem that we wanted to solve. So we started Bharat Agri in the year 2017. Bharat Agri currently is to monetize advisory at scale. Over time, what happened as soon as the COVID hit, we realized that working offline on the ground may not be possible anymore. So we had to transform ourselves completely into a digital company. That brought a very big question on us that whether customers would still pay for it. Because given our rural history, farmers have almost never paid for anything online, but it has turned out to be very well for us. In last 6 months of the pandemic alone, we have sold more than 13,000 paid subscriptions. First, about educating the farmers that such a service can be paid as well. But in last 3 years, the interesting thing that has happened is millions of farmers have got access to internet because of Geo Revolution. Now Bharat Agri comes into the picture, captures into this farmers and starts selling them very effective and affordable advice. So in the recent past, just 2 months ago, we launched a very interesting technology where a farm can be monitored entirely using satellite imagery. A farmer simply needs to geofence their farm using Bharat Agri application. One very difficult problem to solve in agriculture is to get users back to the platform again and again. So it was extremely important for us that whenever they open the application again, they should feel that the content is completely new and the journeys are extremely personalized for them. And last 6 months, that has remained our focus. When we come in touch with WebEngage, they are able to provide us some platforms where our journeys can be automated based on customer behavior. At the same time, we can change these journeys from backend on an everyday basis. And from the last 5 months, our daily active usage on the application has grown by 6 times. At one end, to the farmers, we are recommending the right seeds, fertilizers, and pesticides, and at the same time, we give a platform to these seed, fertilizer, pesticide companies to market their products on the Bharat Agri platform. And over time, we would see big financial institutions, banks, and NBFCs also giving insurance and loan products to farmers. So the future is very interesting, where over time Bharat Agri would become a one-stop solution for farmers.